You don't have to go if you don't wanna. You all need to, and this whole country is ready to stand up and go like, never again. And I can't tell you how overwhelmed I am by that. And the friendliness of Israeli people. I have to ask you all some questions. I love you madly, but you're some of the most intrusive motherfuckers I have ever seen in my life. Okay. It's so great though, but it takes some getting used to. First off, normal discussions between Israeli folks doing normal things, I can't understand it. It sounds like an argument. I've been taking taxis everywhere with this young gal here, and she says, like, take us to the radio station. It's like this 15-minute discussion. Just tell the guy to pull the fucking car over and we'll get out where it says radio. But it turns into this thing. And everyone's discussing. Hands are gesticulating wildly. In the hotel lobby, everyone's drinking and hanging out and doing all kinds of stuff. And people are using their hands, are expressing themselves. People are taking 7 minutes to order a meal. What about that? What if I don't like it? If I don't like it, can I take it back? And the waitress is like... The other night I did a show in Jerusalem. It was the first of these 3 shows. It was 2 nights ago. It was in a tiny little Spielhaus Keller. It's like a little tiny art house with a black curtain behind me and like 2 lights and a PA you could fit in the trunk of your car. And we had big fun, all like 80 of us. It was good times, good times. Finished the show, said thanks, good night, toda, and I split around the back curtain and just sat in a chair with my bottle of water. There's no backstage area. I look up. The entire venue has just followed me. Like I'm some kind of Pied Piper, and I look up like, bah! And they're all there, all of them. Hello, I'm like, I just saw you motherfuckers like 30 seconds ago. And they just said, well, we wanted to talk to you. I'm like, well, okay. And we hung out and for quite a while. But I've never seen that before. They went right after me like, well, he's going that way. We want to talk to him. I got a question, I'm going. But what about the time to let him collect himself? Fuck that, I got a question. I love that. And so I've had a really wonderful time here. But let's get on to something else.